Hi, my name is Sarah, and today I'm going to show you a technology tool that I use in my classroom called Quizlet. Quizlet is an independent practice tool to review learned information covered in class created and shared by the teacher or by the student. This tool works well in my class when vocabulary retention is critical in understanding high-level and high-volume content. You could choose to make a free student version of Quizlet, or you can upgrade to the teacher version. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial of the free version of the program. After you have created an account, you can now see the home screen. The tab on the left allows you to start by creating a class that you can later assign sets of content for students to start studying. You can then choose from new sets of information that you create, or you can choose from banks of material created by the Quizlet community. Here is an example of a study set created last year with 7th graders over identifying muscles and frogs in human bodies during our body systems unit. Students can choose to study content 8 different ways. The first study tool is flashcards, which they can flip over by clicking or using the arrow keys or spacebar. The user has the option for the face of the card to be an image, a word, or both. The second game mode is Learn. Users are given a recommended study set based on whether or not they answer study set questions correctly. Repetition of terms answered incorrectly increases the frequency, and a dashboard shows the learning progress over time. The mode uses spaced repetition concepts to focus on longer-term retention and subject mastery versus shorter-term memorization. The third is Write. Users are shown a term or definition and must type the term or definition that goes with what is shown. After entering their answer, users see if their answer was correct or not, and you can choose to override the automatic grading and count their answer as right if needed. Number 4 on the list is Spell. This term is read aloud, and users must type in the term with the correct spelling. If the user gets every answer correct, they are rewarded with a video of a monster truck doing a jump, wheelie, and a flip. The fifth study tool is Test. Students are given questions similar to the matching and written study tools offered by Quizlet. The sixth is Match. Students are matching pieces of information such as terms and definitions. The seventh study tool is called Gravity, where definitions shaped as asteroids scroll vertically down the screen. The user must type the term that goes with that definition before it reaches the bottom of the screen. The eighth and final study mode is Live. This mode is where students can participate in Teams format with the class. Thank you for listening to my tutorial about Quizlet. Be sure to favorite it and add your comments below to add in other ways to integrate Quizlet into your classroom.